in life, parang we shouldn't always be just centered around each other. Alam mo yan, parang we can do more if we grow more during our own paths, and we can achieve more.
Yeah.
And then, it just make us better. So, yeah.
Yeah, grabe ang healthy na relationship nyo.
Super,
Tsaka talagang
super.
all praises with
Thank
each
you.
other.
Enrique Hill nagsalita na matapos ang naging usap-usapan kamakailan na hiwalay na sila ni Liza Soberano. Masayang-masaya pa rin together ang celebrity couple na sina Liza Soberano at Enrique Hill. Yan ang kinumpirma mismo ni Enrique sa gitna pa rin ng kumakalat na chikang hiwalay na ang dalawa. Sa kanyang interview with entertainment journalist na si Gretchen Pulido, nilinaw ng aktor na busy lang sila sa kanya-kanyang karera, pero nananatili pa rin ang pag-iibigan nila sa isa't isa. Yeah, we're happy. We're just really busy, say ni Enrique. Paliwanag niya, I think we just realize in life that we shouldn't just be centered around each other. We can do more and grow more with our paths, and we can achieve more, and it will just make us better. Nabanggit din ni Enrique na di lang busy si Liza sa pag-promote ng Hollywood film debut nito na Lisa Frankenstein sa darating na Valentine's Day. Ang kanyang makakadate muna ay ang kanyang ina na si Bambi. It's gonna be my mom, sambit ng jowa ni Liza. Dagdag niya, sadly, Liza is going to be in the US for Lisa Frankenstein. But hopefully, if she gets back in time, she said she was gonna go and support me. At speaking of support, naikwento ni Enrique ang mga ginagawang gimmick nilang magjowa upang ipromote ang upcoming projects nila. I actually shot a small video for Liza Frankenstein promo, and she also helped me. If you saw the trailer, she also said hello Big Bird from Liza Soberano. It's super funny, chika niya kay Gretchen. Simula nung nakaraang taon, naging usap-usapan sa social media ang breakup ng dalawa. Kahit nga mismo ang dating talent manager ng aktres na si Ogie Diaz, ibinalita na hiwalay na sina Enrique at Liza Soberano. Ngunit lahat yan ay itinanggi at pinabulaanan ng aktor noong July 2023. Taong 2014 pang magkarelasyon ang dalawa at kilala sa love team na Lisken. Narito naman ang samot-saring komento mula sa mga netizens. Trusting each other and communicating each other is the best in the relationship despite of being alone away from each other. The important, the love that bind you both that no one could ever separate. It's really important for the man to always find a way to stand up for the relationship. Don't get me wrong, this goes both ways, but for men specifically. It shows intentionality. Truth be told, we don't have to know every detail about the relationship, and they don't owe the public to share it. Matter of fact, I like how they try to make it private, whether they are on good terms or not.